Hi, Earth is the only planet we live. As of today, Earth is only planet with oxygen, air, water. We human developing it cost of Earth. If we harm nature and Earth in the name of development, where do our children live? Developed countries are using too much energy to live comfortably. Development, in its essence, has been perceived as progress, advancement, and improvement in various aspects of human life. However, the conventional notion of development often neglects the critical importance of preserving our planet, Earth. Burning natural resources, consuming energy indiscriminately for personal comfort, and disposing of waste without regard for the environment have become common practices in the pursuit of development. But what truly defines development? Is it the relentless pursuit of energy consumption, the extraction of natural resources, and the accumulation of material wealth? Is it measured by the possession of nuclear weapons or the exploration of other planets while neglecting the needs of our own? The cost of traditional development has been the degradation of our environment, the depletion of natural resources, and the disruption of ecological balance. In the name of progress, countries engage in a relentless race to outdo one another, often at the expense of the planet. The indiscriminate use of fossil fuels, rampant plastic consumption, and excessive carbon emissions have pushed our Earth to the brink of environmental catastrophe. The consequences of our actions are evident in the depletion of groundwater levels, the pollution of air and water bodies, and the loss of biodiversity. It is time for a paradigm shift in our understanding of development. True development should not come at the cost of the environment. It should prioritize sustainability, conservation, and harmony with nature. It is about striking a balance between economic prosperity and environmental stewardship. Developed countries, often pioneers of industrialization and technological advancement, bear a greater responsibility in leading the way towards sustainable development. They must redefine the meaning of development, shifting from a model based on consumption and exploitation to one centered on preservation and regeneration. Saving Earth requires collective action and individual responsibility. It begins with reevaluating our lifestyles, consumption patterns, and attitudes towards nature. It involves investing in renewable energy, promoting eco-friendly practices, and embracing sustainable technologies. Every individual has a role to play in saving Earth for future generations. It is not enough to commemorate Earth Day once a year. We must integrate environmental consciousness into our daily lives. We must challenge the culture of consumerism, prioritize conservation over consumption, and advocate for policies that protect our planet. The pursuit of development must be redefined to include the preservation of Earth. We cannot afford to sacrifice our planet for short-term gains or fleeting comforts. It is time to prioritize sustainability, embrace eco-consciousness, and strive for a future where development and environmental protection go hand in hand. Saving Earth is not an option, it is a necessity for the survival of humanity and all life on this planet. Let us act decisively, collectively, and urgently to safeguard our home, Earth, for generations to come. Thank you for watching.